When you're involved in a tractor trailer wreck with injury or even a commercial truck with injury, there's several things you need to think about doing. And the first thing is, our firm, we worry about our client's health. We make sure our client gets to the doctors they need. We make sure our doctors are competent in these areas. We make sure our client gets the specialists they need it. We make sure that the doctors get the therapy and they find doctors that will work with them with their business schedule. We make sure that our clients have everything they need to get their health back, because really at the end of the day, this is all about our clients' health, getting them back where they were before the wreck. No amount of money we can bring them will change their health, and in today's world, in anyone's life, being able to enjoy your life is the most important thing. So once we have our client kind of situated, then we turn ourselves to investigating the case. The reason it's so important to get right on these cases is because there's so much evidence out there. The tractor trailer trucks have a lot of electronic equipment. They have devices there that tell you how fast they're going, when they were signaling, when they were braking, how hard did they brake. They'll have driver logs, electronic logs that tell you how long the driver has been driving, how many times he's taken his rest when he needs to. It'll help us understand how many of the safety rules the tractor trailer driver either broke or obeyed. It'll help us determine how many of the safety rules that the trucking company obeyed or disobeyed. So it's really important we investigate it. We hire investigators to go out, take pictures of the scene. We hire accident reconstructionists to look at all the type of topics involved with that, to make a mathematical inquiry of the speed and the various things that they do to come up with their opinion and the cause of the wreck. We hire tractor trailer safety experts who determine how this wreck might have occurred. Did it occur due to a violation of safety rules that have been laid out in the Federal Motor Safety Carrier Regulations? These regulations have been set out to keep the public safe, people like you and me. And so these are important things that have to happen. Now, tractor trailer companies are all over the country. They send tractor trailers all over the country. So you have to make sure you get a hold of all the witnesses. You keep their names, their addresses, their emails. You got to safeguard this evidence. You have to make sure that in a year when you want to find somebody, you have the proper contact information to call them. I've had several times where I got a case late and I couldn't find the witnesses. That hurts your claim. So the only person who benefits from delaying starting the investigation and getting after a tractor trailer injury case is the tractor trailer company and the insurance company. It doesn't benefit the injured person at all. So make sure you hire a lawyer so he can start on the steps to a successful recovery for you in a tractor trailer injury case.